Without your past, you could never have arrived here. Are you ready for it?
Is my very first show in Sao Paulo, and look at you, look what you've done!
Come on! Here is the first start of everything on the concept tour.
I'm so excited.
Say again?
I'm so excited.
It gave me like goosebumps.
I'm gonna pass out.
Alright guys, so we are picking up the ticket of the Tyler Swiss here. What is that?
Is that pizza?
Alright guys, someone get the haircut for the concert tomorrow.
Yeah, where's Mr. Grumpy?
And so the best thing here, wherever you go, is like a salon or kind of like the barber shop here, you always get a free drink. So she was asking us if we want some beer or some whiskey, like something like that. So we just got our gift package from Tyler Swiss. Taylor, man! I'm not from America, so what's her name?
Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift. I'm taking his photo. Alright, so this is the free beer. Did you say unlimited?
Yes. All right. Yeah, that's me.
One
We
sip.
have One sip.
You can take it.
Yeah.
Go on, Daddy. Enjoy your moment.
Remind me. Chao has to do it.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so we are going to the concert tomorrow, and there's the mall where we are right now. It's like next to that, and we pick up the gift bag, the gift box. Like I don't know what it has in there, but we don't want to open right now, so we just wait until we go to the hotel. So I can't wait to open it. Yeah, so you guys can see here. And this is the shop's name.
Yeah, just one all the way up and then kind of taper it right here, kind of come out. So one, and then come out right
Vai
up.
e daí vai saindo.
Yeah. One.
Começa um degradezão e termina.
Yeah, start one and then just go a little bit bigger or all one.
All one.
Anyway, here is the picture before and after the haircut. When we are coming down from the building, you guys can see all the street shop and the street seller are trying to sell the Taylor merchandise items. Those are between, I would say, around $5 to 15, more or less, something like that.
The next day,
We are opening the gift package. So this is
It's a raffle bag. Ooh, Daddy, are you ready with the cowboy boots to listen to Tay Tay? Tay Chao.
wants to start with that video. Alright, 1, 2, 3. The rest of the welcome package, so this is what is the remaining that I didn't show you in the video. So you got the flyer, like the big poster card like that. What is in here, it's like you guys can see, it's like a very big envelope. So this is kind of like what is in there. And then you got the VIP pass like this. Oh my god, this is so cool, like a very premium, like you guys can see. And then you got the pin. This is so cute, like very cute pin. Oh my god, this is extremely cool. So what is in here is the 12. It's a 12 postcard, which is I already displayed for you guys to see. And at the back side of the postcard, you can see like basically the normal postcard is just like with her picture like that. So if you have friends that really a big fan of her, so definitely they will be happy to receive one of this postcard. And then a lot of picture here. Inside here, let me show you guys. So this is what's it in the VIP package, welcome pack.
There are some guidelines what type of bag and what can and cannot bring to the concert. So we are now just minimize our items and hit the road. I mean, we are leaving around 5 hours before the concert time. Now, do you still think do we have enough time to arrive at our concert seat or not? Well, let's see it together.
Okay guys, this is the time that we are going to Taylor Swift concert. So this is my buddy.
No one else feels that I see but you.
Then favorite street house over there. Oh man, I can't see. Okay, you can see the yellow one. Okay, so we are on the way now, but the traffic is gonna be bad, I think. So this is the pass, and he's so excited. Got our raincoat. It's $2, right?
Yeah.
$2.50. It's like around little over than $2 for the raincoat.
4.907.
Nice calculation.
4.907.
Because like you see this kind of, I mean, only rain cloud. Oh man.
I don't think it's going to rain on us.
And I don't want your sad blue eyes.
Okay, everyone, we are okay.
We'll see you soon.
All right.
Going over your head.
Look at that.
As soon as we arrived, we thought the line is just a normal, really long line. But this is so much worse than we thought. I mean, we could not find the end of the line to start to queue to the gate or to the concert area, even though we are in the VIP ticket line pass.
Oh my god, look at that line. This is like almost 2 kilometer walk with the people with that line. I mean, the line is extremely long. I mean, it's like you can't really see from your eyes.
Finally, around 3 o'clock, we are in the line.
4:12. I mean, how many hours now have you been walking or in a line?
Hour and a half already.
1 hour and a half already, and I don't know when it's gonna be in the gate, and the rain is about to start.
The problem is our line is not moving, so we just buy a t-shirt along the way.
So we're trying to buy the t-shirt here. It fit inside. I think I like black. This one is good. This one is good. Black is good.
2 G's and 1 extra G.
Yeah. Okay.
É que assim, essa daí, esse modelão, essa meio chique.
I take it back, it might be 6:30 before we get in there.
Yeah. It's moving. It's crazy. Almost to the gate after 2 hours. 2 hours and a half already? Close to 2 hours and a half.
Around 5 p.m., we are now officially at the stadium. The security checked the bag, also scanning the ticket. It was super fast. So yeah, here we are finding the seat. Here is pretty much like first come, first serve. No seat number, so it's just the area that you are buying the ticket. So that is the area price. So you sit wherever you want. And like I said, first come, first serve.
Okay, everyone, we are arriving at the stage right now. And here, after like 2 hours, almost 2 hours and a half of walking, over 2 hours and a half, almost 3 hours walking, and right now we finally get our seat. So this is the stage, but she's not coming yet because it's still 5 and 10. So we got our beer here, 48, almost $10 for 2 beer. Got some snack. And then we kind of hungry. We don't have any. Ooh, we got cuts. So we don't have any food yet. So kind of like.
Alright, you guys, so the live concert, and for the first set, it's gonna be Sabrina, Carpenter.
Sao Paulo, let me hear you scream.
The rain has started, so forgive me for what I turn into over the course of this show, but I'm so grateful to be here. I can't believe that I get to be on the same stage as someone I admire so much. Thank you, Taylor, for having us.
Right here, right now, is my very first show in Sao Paulo. And look at you, what have you done for this stadium, which means there's never been this many people in this room before. Thank you, Sao Paulo.
how amazing is that she is performing and singing for 3 hours straight. I would say more than 3 hours without a little break. And it was a really amazing and awesome show, whatever you guys can call, like you can see in our video. And also a little advice to you guys, lady, don't drink too much water, or you should go to the bathroom before the show start, because it was like a really long line to the toilet. It was like 30 minutes, more than that. But the main toilet, it was okay. Anyway, it's time for us to leave the concert.
So they don't buy the ticket.
No, but I mean you can hear it and you can see through
Yeah. So this is they don't buy the ticket. Yeah. And we are leaving 3 songs earlier because otherwise it's gonna be crazy, like it's when we come here. So subtitles with here.